The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.